So it's funny, right after I did the hot dog video, somebody wrote me and said, "Hey, can you do fried bologna sandwiches?" And I thought, I've never had fried bologna sandwiches. And then I took it live on the show and I talked to people about eating fried bologna sandwiches, and like everybody eats them. I'm like, really? So I guess it's a big deal around here in Nashville, but we're gonna take a stab at it. I saw a good version on TV. They made it. I want to recreate it. So here we go. Come on in and let's do this. All right, guys. This is it. You ready? Got your bread. Got pepper. Got your bologna. Got Swiss cheese. You got Louisiana hot sauce. This is the key factor here. You got your butter, and you got your bread and butter pickle chips. It's got to be bread and butter pickles. That's the sweeter pickle, and that is delicious. All right, guys. So we got a pan here. We got a little tiny drizzle of oil. We're gonna heat that up. Okay, I just want to show you how thick we cut the bologna. Okay, see that? I told them I wanted it double thick than a regular bologna sandwich. So I had it specially cut at the deli because you want it to be thick for these sandwiches, okay? So it's a fried bologna sandwich. So the first thing we're gonna do is fry our bologna. Here's a tip when frying bologna. The bologna may curl and curdle up and, get in a weird shape. So sometimes you just put a cut like that right into your bologna slices. And then this way, if it tightens up, it ain't going to bubble up. It's going to stay flat. I hope. That's what I was told on the show that I was watching. So let's try this out. Okay, guys, I never thought fried bologna could smell good. Never thought about that. I wasn't raised on bologna. It was kind of like it was the cheaper cold cut, so we kind of went with roast beef and ham. But this smells really good. Let's see if it's done. Give it a little flip. Oh yeah, that's good. There we go. Now I'm going to do an experiment real quick. I'm going to throw a bologna in and not put the slit in it. We're going to see what happens. Does it really curl up? Because if I don't have to slice the bologna, I don't want to slice the bologna. See this air pocket that builds up right there? It lifts the meat off so you're not getting the browning in the center. You're only getting it on the perimeter. So when you put slits in it, it keeps it flat. See, it wants to go right up, look. See that? So it'll cook evenly across the bologna. Okay, now I get it. So what we're going to do is lower the flame so it's not as hot. You have to take your pan off the flame for a minute. Let the pan cool down a little bit. You don't want to burn your bread in the pan. We're going to put the sandwiches together in the pan. Okay, bring the pan back. That's how we're going to make it. Kind of like a grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, you got your bread. Place your bologna on there, which is still hot. Ouch. Hot, hot. There you go. Alright. Got some Swiss cheese here. Swiss cheese. Right there. Get your pickles on there. There you go. Little Louisiana hot sauce. little black pepper on top. And put your bread on top. We're going to have to flip these in a minute, but flipping them is probably the hardest part in the whole process because they kind of want to slip. So you want to be careful and quick. So let's see what we can do. If they fall apart, who cares? The bologna sandwich. Yep. Perfect. Then start pressing them down like grilled cheese. And if you don't like how dark this side is, which I think it's perfect, you can flip it again if you want. But just press this down like a grilled cheese sandwich. And there you go. That is a fried bologna sandwich. So simple. So the cool thing about this is that Louisiana hot sauce, my wife in no way wants to eat a bologna sandwich. I don't know why. It's probably a nightmare she had as a little girl. I have no idea. But I'm going to try one out right now. Pepper, Louisiana hot sauce, pickles. It's going to be awesome. Wow. The hot sauce makes it. Totally finishes it off. But remember, because you buttered the bread on the outside, it's so buttery on your hands. It's delicious. Beautiful. It's got a buttery, spicy, peppery, fried bologna sandwich with a little bit of melted cheese on top. It's awesome. All right, guys, if you got any other suggestions, let me know. We'll try it out on the show, okay? I love you guys. Bye-bye.